Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to give a blog post in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, and then simply it will take you to the browser. Then simply you have to put in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the post icon in the left navigation bar, and once you click on the post icon, you have to just simply click on the add post option here in the top navigation bar, and then it will simply take you to a blank page or blank post option where you can edit a post accordingly. And here you can see it has already transferred us to the another page, and here you can simply type in, let's say I would like to type in blog 1, and here you can see you can just add other materials accordingly by clicking on the plus icon and using other tools as well. Then simply click on the publish icon here and then click again publish, and here you can see the publishing process is ongoing. So that's how you can easily just give a blog post in our WordPress site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.